Larizana Abdulaziz. I'm the chair of Women Living Under Muslim Laws. Today here at the panel on stoning in conjunction with the 57th session of the Commission on the Status of Women. Women Living Under Muslim Law has just convened a panel on anti-stoning, talking about stoning as a violation of human rights, how it discriminates mainly against women, and the idea that stoning is sometimes conflated with rape, and that causes a lot of problems because sometimes when women complain of rape and the state is unable to prove rape, the woman is deemed to have confessed to having had sex. We are also initiating a campaign to petition the United Nations to pass a resolution on anti-stoning. There's a lot of work being done on the ground in the different countries. Women are very actively and empowered petitioning against this, looking at reinterpretation of the Quran, looking at the most laws that are said to sanction stoning and challenging them. So we hope you join us in our petition.
Help us create a resolution and introduce it at the UN Human Rights Council in Geneva, and to create an advocacy plan where they will have other countries sign on. Not going to be easy, because the very countries that we're hearing about today would likely not do that. And the religious political forces are alive and well. The fact that stoning often occurs in a more invisible way. It's not a now. I'll do it. It's also noteworthy that the special rapporteur on the independence of judges and lawyers came to our panel and spoke in Geneva. And I want to quote from her statement, which is very, very significant for us as we advocate against stoning. As is well established under international human rights law, states have an obligation to investigate and prosecute human rights violations and provide remedy to victims. This also applies in cases where such human rights violations stem from decisions or judgments passed by the informal legal system. Judges, prosecutors, and lawyers have a particular responsibility for protecting and promoting both human rights and the rule of law. When crimes and human rights violations go unpunished, the state is to be held accountable for contributing to a culture of impunity and lawlessness. A lot of good documentation to bring to the table as reasons why we need a resolution against stoning. We can have oral statements, written statements. The petition will help. The petition will show why we need a resolution. But if we want to get really serious, ladies, that's the way to go. I have a PowerPoint.